Whisper the key, lift the cover, magic chants, spells, and wonder. This is the sword, this is the shield. I am the word of intentions fulfilled. Word is a powerful gift from the heavens. Not only did words help in establishing order and peace, it also gives literal meaning to life and what is surrounding it. Words can use language to create, to retain, to improve, and to protect names and circumstances, events, and histories. This power is known to the ancients as it is a powerful tool in the present. When the words are embodied in pages, it breathes anew. They converse to every reader and recount an important event particular to the author. They create doors and portals of the past and enables people to connect, disregarding time and space. As the pages age, the powers of the words written on it magnify, waiting to be used to produce wonders and magnificent creations. As they are passed down to generations, they embody countless achievements, experience, and magical works. Grimoire is referred to as books of magic. While it limits the book to the standards and functions of occultism and beliefs to the mystical arts, it is acceptable because of the affirmation on the existence of magic. And while others may read pages of culinary account, for instance, the page can also describe the magical properties of herbs, potions, remedies, and guides in the handwritten recipes. An account of a merry night of dancing may be a celebration of the deities, the moon, and the stars. A baptism can be a magical dedication to a pantheon. The universe is full of magic because the universe itself is magic. The grimoire captures the magic to be used in future works and handed to later generations. Lend the magic of earth and heavens by the power of the word. The common good, this aspiration before the lady and the Lord. The term Book of Shadows referred to the book's written content. As the subjects vary from occultism to the supernatural, the mystical to the covert, and in the forbidden art, it is meant to be used in the blessing of darkness. The book, despite its reputation and narrative, is not an evil tool in itself. Like any other implement, the book is defined by the magical usage and intent. It is therefore advisable to consecrate the book and align it to the owner's intentions. This binds the book and its content to the magician's call, and work on the calling defined by the magical purpose and meaning. Upon consecration, the grimoire and its owner become one, and their energies are properly aligned to work their magic together. The contents of the pages assist the practitioner not just in spell and chants, but with the accumulated energies bestowed upon the written word. This forges a bond between the spell and the caster, listed herb and the healer, and tenants and the teacher. In effect, the grimoire is given life. A book of shadows may not be an actual book. The practitioner is the book, so they say. Stories in ancient campfire are handed down as legends and lore. This is because the content is not a universally accepted truth and practice. The secrecy is maintained throughout the ages, saving the lives of countless practitioners, but also the useful information in the documents. While the grimoire can be used by a coven or a magical community as a source of information or truths, aligned to those those with similar practice and beliefs. It is not advisable to share the content to non-believers, especially to facilitate debates. Clothe the book. Hear this prayer. Earth and wind, water and fire. Take refuge from prying eyes. Occulta, interius, protegat. One's created book, a journal or a digital repository that is particularly tailored to the magical knowledge, researches, experiences, and insights of the author is equally as important as any ancient manuscript. It recounts the pathway to the spiritual practice. The grimoire is a treasure every magician possesses. It describes the rules, the practice, and the path followed by the practitioner. It creates wonders. It maintains balance. It repairs the broken. It mends and heals the maladies. Importantly, it contains within its pages endless possibilities. Welcome to our Book of Shadows, our community grimoire. Here we will interconnect the weave of magical information to create a fabric fitted for all. It is my intention that we will use the information herein as guides and inspiration to spread positivity, knowledge, and acceptance. May you find and may you see imaginary and reality. With your first step begins the journey through written pages. Blessed be.